Hello and welcome to MMAARS, Mars Moon Astronautics Academy and Research Science. We are an organization that's pioneering the very first analog Martian lunar settlement here in the Mojave Desert. We're also developing and creating the new industry for commercial analog astronauts and pioneering a new vision for enabling humanity to become a multiplanetary species. Our mission at MMAARS is to create and train the next generation students and commercial analog astronauts by offering a new 21st century learning paradigms with experiential, real-time, remote interactive STEAM education, integrating exponential technologies, life sciences, space medicine, astronautics, and space exploration. We are excited to introduce the Virtual Astronautics Academy Level 1 training. This is a duration of 12 days, and each day is 3 hours long. The first hour is focusing on an introduction to the day's topic theme, followed by the second hour, which is very interactive and collaboration and competitions for the participants where they can win prizes and awards. They're able to also join the MMAARS crew here based in the Mojave Desert Base Camp. The third hour is very focused on interacting with the subject matter experts. We'll also have panels and participants will be able to network and be mentored by the experts. Additionally, there will be a special weekend mini hackathon where participants will be able to win prizes and scholarships. So here's a high-level overview of the program, a unique hybrid way of learning. Participants will enter the virtual platforms like AirMeet or Zoom, communicate via Slack, but also able to enter a real-time interaction with the crew based here in our base camp in Mojave Desert, where they'll be able to interact with the individuals via activities like extravehicular activities. So, for example, they'll be able to work with the crew when they're going on a geological activity or when they are conducting a medical training program. They are able to come in and learn about how robotics are involved in telesurgery and teleanesthesia. The goal of MMAARS is to train next generation commercial analog astronauts as well as to retrain and upskill career professionals to be able to enter the new space industry. We are very excited the fact that we are able to overcome the COVID-19 pandemic because now individuals can join all around the world, thus making this program more accessible to thousands of interested participants, no matter their age, their ethnicity, their geographic location. So our virtual academy curriculum is broken down into 12 days and 3 hours per day. This is our 12-day analog astronautics general program. And you can see from here that every day is a specific theme. Additionally, day 6 and 7 will be a mini weekend hackathon, as well as participants will have to do homework assignments, and there will be a graduation awards at the end of the program training. So participants will be joining via several virtual platforms, Zoom or AirMeet. Here they'll be able to do live interactions and they will be broken out into several breakout sessions. They will be able to communicate and collaborate via Slack, and students will be using Canvas to conduct their work assignments, their homeworks, and to deliver their projects. Participants will be able to join MMAARS via remote real-time in the activities that are conducted by the crew based here in the training facility base camp in Mojave Desert. They'll be able to join several extravehicular activities or EVAs like medical EVA, geological EVA, astronomy EVA, as various other activities that are conducted inside the base camp. So join us at MMAARS, where we are training the super space heroes who dare to dream, who will become the 21st century commercial analog astronauts, as well as be able to reskill and retrain to enter the new space industries. MMARS, Mars Moon Astronautics Academy and Research Science. Please reach out to us and visit our website and our social media, Facebook and Twitter pages. Thank you for listening.